Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to copy your profile link on X or formerly Twitter. It's super easy and quick. Let's go. Step 1 is open your X app. Once you open it, step 2 is tap your profile icon in the upper left corner. Step 3, click profile. This takes you to your profile page. Once you're on, step 4, find any posts you've made. Once you find one, tap the share button or the little arrow icon. Step 6. Hit copy link and boom, you got it. Now you can paste your X profile link anywhere, Google Chrome, your Notes app, or even send it to your friends. That's it. Super simple, right?